Let's talk about the Boston bombing investigation. Lives were lost. A lot of people were hurt so badly. If that turns out that there were intelligence failures either in the U.S. or in Russia and that the attacks could have been prevented, could the victims sue? Richard.
First of all, Allison, if that turns out, how are they ever going to prove that? It's never going to be able to be proved. So there's not going to be litigation about that. But, you know, when Russia tells us about some surveillance that they want to report to us, all the bells and whistles have to go off at that point in time. I mean, why are they giving us information?
Right.
And the information they gave was that he was looking to blow up sites in Russia, not the United States. So we don't know really the extent of that information and whether it could have prevented this. We know that the finish line was a target area. I think Boston police knew that in advance as well. What could they have done? I don't know. It seems like they did everything they could do. Information was turned over to the FBI and by Russia, and that information was not turned over to the Boston Police Department. So that's the issue that's being discussed these days. Why didn't the FBI turn it over to Boston? Would it have helped?
Even with Joint Terrorism Task Force, the fact that it wasn't shared or not still results in no liability. I understand intelligence gaps, but on civil liability issues, I just don't buy it. I just don't buy it.
Is there any recourse for people who are upset about where Tamerlan Tsarnaev was buried?
I don't think there's any recourse.
None whatsoever.
None.
No, not at all.
None.
Not at all. Nothing.
Okay.
No.
All right. Thanks, guys. The legal guys, they're here every Saturday at this time to give us their take on the most intriguing legal cases of the day. Thanks for being with us.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom, Elisa, Fred, Allison, everyone.
Yeah, that's right. Happy Mother's Day to everyone.
Thanks very much.